Jasmine. How's your
Hello.
morning going?
Pretty good, thank you. Come on in.
Thank you. So in the morning, do you like to get coffee or tea?
I like both. Coffee on weekdays and tea on weekends.
And what's your favorite type of coffee?
Medium roast hazelnut coffee.
Nice. And what's your favorite color?
Green and purple.
Why is that?
What's not to like? Very natural, very pretty, and very professional.
I agree. So can you show us how to make a perfect purple folder?
Really? Right
Yeah.
now? Sure. Okay. We use purple folder in the firm for cases, and I'll show you how to make a good purple folder. All right. Also, first of all, you papers punch hole, 2 holes, and then we need to make sure it's lined up perfectly, horizontally, and vertically. Okie dokie.
Alright, definitely looks perfect. So what's the fastest time you got an immigration case done?
It's really fast. It's a little less than 2 weeks. It's almost unheard of.
Oh wow. And what about the fastest time in getting a new patent application approved?
One of my patent cases is approved and issued in as short as 5 months.
Very cool. So what's the biggest challenge in starting your very own company?
Well, worry about getting new clients and constant case load.
Makes sense. And what's it like being your very own boss?
Busy to work on my cases and have freedom to arrange my own schedule. And at the same time, it's fun to interact with different people.
Yeah, I bet. And how does it feel being a total girl boss with your own company?
Okay. Hi.
Alright, and we're back with Jasmine. So what's your favorite part of being a lawyer?
Getting to help people when they need it, making my clients happy.
That's so nice. And what made you get into patent law?
Well, I was an inventor when I was doing my postdoc biomedical research. Then I was an entrepreneur with my own startup company. Then I realized that my interest and capability in patent law.
That's so cool. And I just gotta say, we love your hair. What's your routine?
Wash and Dyson for a blowout, and I got it done in under an hour.
Very nice. And what languages do you speak?
Chinese, Taiwanese, and English.
And I heard you started your career in STEM. So where did you get your PhD from?
You want to know?
Yeah.
I got my PhD from Cornell.
Wow, so cool. And tell us about your PhD thesis.
My PhD is in microbiology. My thesis was on overexpression, structure, and function of the sigma factor of a bacteria called Bacillus subtilis, and it's about its RNA polymerase.
Sounds very complex. Alright, and we're back with Jasmine.
Hello, come on in.
What advice would you give to someone who wants to become a lawyer?
Don't become a lawyer. Just kidding.
Alright, and what are some of your hobbies?
Choir and traditional Chinese medicine like herbals and acupuncture.
Wow, traditional Chinese medicine, also TCM, is really cool and you've been studying it for a while. How did you get into that?
Well, during COVID times, I feel like there will be a lot of people getting sick in the next decades. So I believe TCM can really help.
That's very cool. And what's your favorite TCM treatment to get?
Tuina, have you heard of it? It's a type of deep massage on meridian points.
Wow, okay, I gotta try that. And you yourself have 2 kids. What lessons have you learned from your kids?
Well, every kid is different. What works for one kid is definitely not working for another kid. It's all about changing my own mindset and adjusting my own parenting style.
That's a great philosophy to have. And in your office, when is the craziest time you've ever had a meeting?
Midnight on Friday and Sunday nights.
Wow. So what are your daily hours in the office?
It changes, typically about 10 a.m. to 9 p.m.
And what was your longest day ever at the office?
There was a day that when I was in the office about 30 hours straight.
Wow, that's crazy. So what's your favorite holiday?
Christmas to New Year.
Same. Do you like IP or immigration law better?
Is both an answer?
Yeah.
I would say both.
All right. Favorite court case?
Let me think. There was a Supreme Court case called Garter versus Bollinger.
Interesting. And what would you be if you weren't a lawyer?
I think I'll be a scientist.
And, well, you're based in the Bay, so what's the coolest thing about living in the Bay?
The culture of innovation and, of course, the weather.
And you're also from Taiwan, so where else have you traveled to?
Well, I love to travel all over the world. My favorite places are to visit include New Zealand, Paris, and China.
All great places. And what was your favorite subject in school?
In school, history and geography.
Least favorite subject?
Can I say criminal law?
Yeah, for sure. All right, and I gotta say, I really love your dress. Where do you shop for cute office fits?
Nordstrom.
All right. And are you good at taking tests?
Yes, I think. But I hate doing it.
And usually in the office, do you bring takeout or do you bring lunch from home?
Bring lunch from home.
What's your favorite office snack?
Boiled egg.
Nice. And here's a joke. How many lawyers does it take to screw in a light bulb?
To screw a light bulb? Oh,
Yeah.
It depends. How many can you afford?
Okay, I get it. And what is the hardest part of your job?
Dealing with you guys.
What? What's one thing most people don't realize about applying for patents?
Filing for patent. To get it issued and approved, and it's very long. And so usually it could take up to 2 to 3 years.
Oh wow, I didn't know that. And do you have a personal guilty pleasure?
Guilty pleasure? In and out?
Oh my god, I love In-N-Out. What's your order?
Double with onion and of course a lot of fries.
Yes, we love the fries. So when you're on a plane, do you like the window or aisle seat better?
I would say window seat.
And how would you describe yourself in 3 words?
Dedicated, empathetic, and smart.
All right. So what's your favorite font and what's your favorite font size?
You guys should know. Arial 12 point.
All right, just checking. And how many notebooks do you have in the office?
I have a lot of notebooks.
And how do you even keep track of all of the cases you have?
We have digital and physical filing systems. We organize the files by a 4-letter client code and a docket number.
Sounds super organized. And where do you see yourself in the next 10 years?
Still running this law firm.
Nice. Would you say you're an early bird or a night owl?
Night owl.
So how many hours of sleep did you get last night?
6.5 hours?
Okay, not bad. Do you like vanilla or chocolate better?
Neither.
Sweet or savory?
I don't know. I would say savory.
What's your favorite cuisine?
Taiwanese, of course.
And do you like to eat with chopsticks or fork and knife?
Chopsticks. Yeah, of course.
All right. And do you have a favorite season?
Favorite season is spring.
And what's your hidden talent?
I would say singing.
And do you like simplified or traditional Chinese?
I can read and understand both, and I can spell both.
That's really great. Do you like to use Chrome or Firefox?
Firefox.
In person or online meetings?
In person.
And do you have a TV show that you're watching right now?
I'm afraid not. No.
All right. And do you have a favorite sandwich?
Yeah. Roast beef sandwich on a Dutch crunch, which you only can find in Bay Area.
Oh, that's so nice. And if animals could talk, which animal do you think would be the rudest?
The rudest, non-human. Well, if human are included, I would say humans.
That's very true. And finally, do you have any fun plans for this weekend?
This weekend, I'm thinking about playing guzheng and sing.
Oh, that's so fun. Thank you so much for letting us join you.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you later.